there, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice and I'm an urban gardener. Welcome to my indoor jungle. I'm so excited and grateful to have you here. So thank you very much for tuning in and for taking the time to listen to me. So one of the questions I get asked a lot is, what are the best plants to start with? You know, if you're starting out to have plants indoors. And I've picked out 7 plants that are easy to get in Nairobi or in Kenya, that are easy to propagate, which means once you have one of them, you can be able to have tons and tons more, and they're easy to care for. So by easy to care for, I mean they are less complicated. You know, as long as you water them right and put them in the right place, then you should be good to go. So here goes with the 7 plants. The first one is the pothos, or the money plant. This one I love it because you can put it in so many different types of pots, or you can set it up in different types of ways. It's great in a hanging basket, you know, like this here. It grows and trails, or it's great you can have it growing upwards, so you can trail it to go upwards. And so many other options, and even in small sizes like this, you see it still really looks really pretty. Yeah? And what I like about this is propagating it is so easy. I'm going to talk about propagation in another video, but I just wanted to show you, even when it's propagating, it's still, you know, it's still pretty to have. Look at all those roots. This has been here for about maybe, this is about a month and a half of growth. Yeah. And then all you do is change the water. I'm going to talk about propagation, but then it's another way of having house plants. Yeah. The next one is the snake plant. Easy to find. You know, in some places it even grows like a weed. So it's a good plant to have, and another one that you can put in different types of pots, so bigger ones and smaller ones, and it's really not fussy. Another one which is easy to care for, and if you're really busy and you know maybe you travel a lot, this could be one of the best options to have, because it can withstand a little bit of neglect, you know, for some time. So if you water it once and before you travel, and you water it very well, you can travel and come back and know you'll find your plant is still very much okay. Another one is the zebra plant, which is this one here. Yeah, so it's a slow grower, but I really like this as a gift option, and a lot of you have come to me to do wedding favors of these, and these are normally my choice because it's a great gift to give. It's easy to care for. Another one which you know, it's really a beautiful plant to have. Yeah. So, you know, it just gives character to every container that it can have. I really like it a lot. And then it's a very good option as a desk plant as well. Or if you have a very small space, then again, you know, you have options on how to put it. Then we have the spider plant, which is this one here. A nice fun little plant which also grows. This grows very fast, well, relatively fast, and you know, very easy to find, you know, and in many landscaping areas you'll find it being used as a ground cover. And it produces little spiderlets that then you use to produce other plants. Yeah, so this is a really nice fun little plant to have, and it grows really, really big. I have a big one out there. I'll show you a photo later. Then another option is the jade plant. This one is about 2 years. Yeah, it's a big, you can see it's a big plant. And you know, people have done bonsai, you know, you can do kokidama. I have a kokidama of it somewhere here. It's a really nice plant to have, the jade plant. Again, easy to find and easy to propagate and all that. The next is the Anthurium. This is the Anthurium. Purple is my favorite color, so no surprise that I picked the purple one. But yeah, I mean, this is a dwarf. You know, I know you what is mostly common here is the big one, the one that grows really, really big. But then the dwarf kind is really nice as well. This grows to about 30 centimeters in height. So it's a good one to have indoors. And the bonus is that it flowers. So it's really pretty. And surprisingly, it's fairly easy to care for. Yeah. And the final one I have here is the rubber plant. Yeah, here you go. The rubber plant is, I really like the colors. So a little bit of like maroonish, so you can have, even as you're starting out, you can have color in your choices and in your options of houseplant. And this grows into a tree, so I also get asked a lot of questions like, I want a tree, I want a big plant. So you can get a rubber plant in a big size, and I'll talk about tree-like plants that are suitable for in the indoor space. But right now I just wanted to cover the ones that I feel, if you're starting out, what's the easiest, number one, to get, that are relatively reasonably priced in Nairobi or in Kenya, and are suitable for your indoor space, and you can propagate, which means you don't have to keep going back to your pocket to buy new plants. You can actually just get new plants from the ones you have, if that's really what you're looking for. Yeah, so that's just a quick rundown of what is easy to get here and what you can propagate. I'll talk about so many other things in other videos to come, but I just want to say thank you very much. I just wanted to do a quick one and go through that. And yeah, and then please on the comments below, just tell me what it is that you want to, what you'd like me to cover. I'm looking forward to covering how to grow, how to maintain each and every one of them, and how to propagate them. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and we'll go outdoors as well, and so many other things. So thank you so much for tuning in and for listening to me. And yeah, so please, on the comments below, just tell me what it is that you would really like to know, what you would really like to learn, and I'll make a point to answer and cover it here for you. Please also go to my website. I have a lot of tips there and a lot of information there as well. So, you can go there, and there too you can leave your comment and tell me if there's something that you'd like to learn, or you can teach me something. We're all learning. I don't know everything, and I've killed my fair share of plants. So yeah, so it will be nice to hear from you, hear your stories, hear your journey on plant parenting, and yeah, and let's share. So thank you so much, and come again. Thank you.